Hi guys, I'm Philip. Welcome to Modular 1, Build Room Structure. So now I'm gonna start this class. Okay. First thing you must know is how to delete history. So you can click on here. Okay. Delete history. Okay. Clear browsing data. So you may see all time cookies on cookies and other side this thing and click all time. Then you click. So this may help you when you have some error or some don't understand error, then you just click this clear data. Okay, because sometimes your browser may be heavy, then it will disturb your design. Okay, so when it's not smooth or anything you don't understand, you can try this button. Okay, it will help a lot. So now I'm gonna talk about how to set the wall height first. Come to tool, setup. Okay, tool setup. You may see this one current story height. Okay, this one you can set current, or if you want like a basic standard, you can come to global setting. Here, default story height. Okay, you can change it to the figure you want. Then whenever you come in, the first height is 3000. Okay, so this one is current current one. Okay, if you want, you can change it also. Okay, this is the wall thickness. You can set the wall thickness also. Okay, please change the setting. Okay, set up success. After that, we're gonna talk about 3 methods of construct wall. Okay, so the first method of construct wall is this one. File, import floor plan, import CAD. Okay, which means import the CAD file from AutoCAD. When you have done the floor plan, then you can import from AutoCAD. So click on here, then find the file. Okay, the file must save as DXF lah, remember. Then once you click on it, it will automatically generate the wall height according just now you set. Okay, you see, the wall height just now you set. Okay, so but here have some condition, terms and condition. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the condition. Okay, so remember your AutoCAD file do not include windows, door or furniture or dimension. AiHouse only can rate wall, only the wall they can rate. Okay, and the wall cannot be intercept. Remember, do not intercept the wall. And the wall must be join line. Okay, all must be join line. Okay, conclusion, the format must save as DXF and only wall is accept. Okay, only wall, no door, no window, no column, no dimension, no furniture. AiHouse cannot read it. Okay, and must be closed wall line, all must be join line, close. Okay, this is the condition. So now this is the first method lah. Now I'm gonna talk about the second method. You can come to file, new scheme first. Okay, clear all the thing. Okay, the second method is to draw manually on the wall. Draw manually. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about this button first. Click on this one. You may see center line painting and interior painting. Okay, so the center line painting I'll show you. Just type 4500. Okay, enter, then you move down 4000, then move down, come to here, click, come to here, click. Whenever you're done, right click, or AiHouse always right click, exit. Right click, you can exit again. Okay, if you want, but I don't wanna. I want to show you another one, interior painting wall, the different. Okay, so see, okay, this one 4500, enter. I key in the same figures. Okay, 4000, enter. Come to here, 4500, click here. Okay, right click, exit. Okay, you can see both of them. I type the same figure, but eventually dimension are different. Okay, so why different? You can see center line painting here is lesser. Or I type 4500, but eventually come out is 4350. So the rest of the 150 is the wall thickness. Okay, here the half of the wall thickness and a half of the wall thickness here. Okay, so both add up 150. Okay, so remember when you're using center line painting, include the wall thickness lah. Please include the wall thickness when you do calculation. However, if you are using interior painting, or you just type the figure, then it will come out. Okay, so usually this one designer will use this one usually, and here this one is the wall thickness you can choose. If you don't want the figure, you can choose or you can change it. Okay, here is the other tips. Okay, so click OK. Okay, another button is this one. Another button. This one, rectangle wall. Okay, you can click on it. Just draw the shape. Usually for rectangle one, so type 4500, press enter, will shift to another column. Then 4000, press enter, will complete. Okay, and you can click here to move the area. Okay, see. Or you can click the wall to move the size also, or to extend the wall also can if you want. Click the wall to move the wall also. Okay. So this one is not joined correctly, so make sure you understand. When you see yellow color means not joined correctly. See, when you join correctly, it will become area. Okay, this one you can move down. So, okay, try to play with it. Okay. Okay, and here we'll have this one. Draw from shape. Okay, you can see this. You can drag out the shape and put here. Then you can click on the wall to move it. Okay, let's say this one not joined correctly. I'll move it. Okay, move it. You can click here, extend the area or extend the area. I'll show you how to extend the area. Just change number only, 4000. Okay. If you don't want the wall, you can click on the wall and press delete. Okay, or you want to split the wall, you can split the wall and press delete also can. Okay. Now you can make art wall also. Click on the wall, you can click here, you can make art wall. See the curve. Okay. Or you don't want the wall keep moving like this. Okay. You can click on the wall, lock the wall also. Then you cannot move it unless you unlock it. Okay. Simple as that. Okay. So you can move here also if you want. Okay. This is the second method. Okay. So coming up, if you have a floor plan, you want to follow the floor plan to draw, then you can import to the AiHouse. Import floor plan. Click here, then find the image and click the image. Okay. Then click on manually drawing. Okay. First thing you need to do is to resize this one. Type 4000. Okay, let's AiHouse know the measurement of the picture. So let's say 4000 is how long on the picture. So AiHouse can read like this. Okay. Okay, you let AiHouse know the 4500 is how long on the picture. Then click OK. So after that, when you draw the area right, you may see something like this. 4500, enter, and 4000, enter. So the area is roughly there. You can see the area is approximately there. It won't go so far. Okay. So this one is the second method. Coming up, we're gonna talk about the third method. The third method is this one. Import floor plan. Select the floor plan you want. Then click this button, Smart Recognition. Okay, click on it. Okay. So AiHouse will automatically recognize it. Then you can use your ruler to move it. Okay, 3000, make sure it's correct. Then you click OK. So AiHouse will automatically to build a room for you like this. Okay, with windows and door. Okay. However, there are some of the disadvantages. You can see the balcony and the door are not correct, so you need to do some changing. Okay. Even dimension also you need to do some correction. So I do some correction here. Okay, delete it first. This one is a bare window, right? It's supposed to be bare window. So I delete the window. change to bare window. Just drag bare window from here. You can see windows and door. Okay, bare windows. Just drag. Okay. Okay. This one, delete first. Okay, delete the window. Delete the window. Delete the window. Drag the bare window. Okay. This one, delete the window. Okay, this one is balcony, right? Balcony. So I'm gonna find the balcony from here. Or public window and door. Here got a lot option. We have balcony on the window. Okay, so you just drag the pattern you want. Okay. How to position the door? Okay, you can click on the door here. Okay. Let's say you want to position it, you can click on the door. Here is the center. If you don't want, you can change the number here. Okay, just put 300. Okay, they'll move like 300. If you want to change the direction, you can click here, rotate. Rotate the door direction as you want. Okay, this one put 150. Okay. If you want to copy the window, the door, right? Let's say the door here is no. Okay. So I click here, copy the door, you can click here, paste the door until you satisfy, then you right click exit. Okay, just simple as that. Okay. Okay, this one I change first. This one is a window, supposed to be sliding door. So I come to here, door, and find the sliding door. Okay, this one sliding door. Okay, simple as that. Okay. This is how you construct the wall and put door and window. After that, remember, rename the area. This step is very important. It will help you to let computer know this area is for what. Okay, so we click on the name. If you want to put ABC, then you can put ABC as you want, or you just select the room name. Okay, if you think the area you need 2 room name, then you can click on here, add. Okay, so you can add 1 more room name for the area. Okay, living room, so I put here. This one I put here, click on it, change to dining room. For dining room. Okay, so you can see this one is bathroom, change it bathroom. This one is kitchen, change it for kitchen. Okay, so we're almost complete. After that, please come to display and hide the floor plan, or hide the floor plan. So it won't disturb you with the designer, or you will see a lot number and the name and the area name. Okay, after you complete, then click on here, save. Okay, or you press the button Ctrl S. Okay, give it a name, maybe January 15, Philip, save. Okay, so remember, save now. We are using cloud system, so whatever you do, you save, you will save in the cloud. Okay, so even your computer hang, or computer kena wireless, or computer lost, or computer damage, doesn't matter. All your files are saved in the cloud. So when you want to drag out, you can use. Even you go vacation, you have, as long as you have a device can online, then you can load your file. File here, my scheme. Okay, file here, my scheme, to load your file. So this one is your file. Okay, this one is the file ID. You must remember. Okay, especially when you have problem with the 3D. Sometimes your drawing you have problem, right? You will ask the customer service, right? They will require you to send them ID so they can check. This is the file ID. So remember what is the file ID lah. When you want to seek for help, then it will help you. And this one, the clock here, this one is scheme record. It will help you trace back the days. Okay, for example, a few hours you do before, when you save, you can trace back. So when you don't like the design and you're lazy to delete everything, you just trace back to the previous file, then you continue. Okay, simple as that. And this file here we have set to local. Save to local means save in your computer lah. So let's say you want to set a backup with in your computer, up to you. Okay. Open local is open from your computer, and save as is when you have two projects with the same layout plan. Okay. So you can save as project A with this file, then you save another file, save as project B. So you don't need to do two times work for the layout plan. Okay. Okay, coming up we come to here lah. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this one. So the window door, you know how to drag lah. This one also same but can custom make. Okay, a bit different only. Like mother and door or mother and son door, you can put here and custom make it. Okay. So this one is the structure. Okay, you can drag the column out. Drag the column out. Okay. This one is rotate. Okay, you rotate it. Okay, you can position it. You can click on it and resize it like this. Okay, or you click on here, you can resize it also. 150 the wall thickness. Okay, then I drag it out like a wall, treat it as a wall. Then maybe I'll just drag this one, or a square doorway, or the column also can. Okay, so I'll do this one. I drag a door, simply drag a door. Okay, I do this first. Drag door. Okay, they have some different on the lengths here. Okay, remember. So thickness and length. Okay, so I make the thickness different. So I'm gonna change the length first. The length here, 150. Okay, and this one make it 0, stick to the wall. Okay, and this one move it. Okay, extend it. I can change it also. Click here, just change it. Okay, if you want to change the number, this is the height also. So you can drag a door here, or you see here the different. Okay, just now cannot, but after I rotate can. Okay, so remember when your space cannot, then you must rotate it up. Click on 3D, then you can see we treat it as a door, as a wall also. Okay, if you want. Okay, so please remember the column. This is what column can do. Okay, can become a wall. You can put outside fencing also can. Okay, then come to here, platform. Okay, you can drag the platform out. Then you can same thing lah. You can click here. You can change the number here. Okay, let's say I change it. This one, put 2000. Change it size. This is platform. Then extend it also can if you want. Then you click on 3D. You see different here. Oh. If you want like a platform, the floor have different height. Okay, different slab. So click this one. Click this one. You will see the elevation. You can change it. Okay, 300. Then go to 3D. See, can do a lot of things with this one, but up to your imagination. This one also can use as a balcony if you want. Okay, let's say I drag it up, or you can do as balcony outside. So if you want to build garden or anything also can. Okay, using this one, because outside they have no floor. Okay, no floor, so you need to use this one and put all the glass here. Okay, so this is what platform can do lah. They have a lot, but up to your imagination. Okay, coming up we have this one, beam. Okay, beam, simpler, it function as beam also. Okay, like this. Okay, beam, and you can click on it, change the size or rotate it also. If you want, you also can make it a second floor. See, like this, like second floor. You can move it down. Click here, move it down. To create second floor. Okay, this is idea lah, idea. Okay, and this one, the new function here is a doorway. You can see. You can adjust the size. There's this something like this. Okay, another one is arc. just different shape only, but the purpose are same. Okay, so I delete it first. On top here is a free modeling. This one is something like SketchUp. We'll talk on the basic extension class. This one is flat floor plan library. Okay, so if you want to search some search plan, then you can search here for the Malaysia plan. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about this few button here. Okay. Okay, let's say here, so you see mirror rotate. You can click this one, you can mirror the area. Okay, click this one, you can mirror the area. Click this one, you can rotate. Remember, click back the floor plan first, then only move your plan, or else cannot. Okay, and remember, rotate or mirror do not include your furniture, or else cannot do. Okay, please remember this. Here we have 2D, 3D room. Okay, 2D, 3D room. This one is 2D. This one is 3D. Okay, 3D is for you to view to overall the design to see. Okay, and the room is for you to do the design. Remember, every time when you design something, use room. Okay, this one is turn left. This one is turn right. This one is up, down, left, right. Okay, up, down, left, right. So if suddenly you lost, you cannot go back, please click this button. It may help you find your way. Okay, always come to the center of the apartment. Okay, see, let's say I lost. Okay, click this button, always come back to this angle, or always come back to this angle. 2D, let's say I lost, don't know where my plan, always didn't see it. Okay, click this one. Remember. Okay, it may help you a lot. Another button is how to move the camera. Okay, now I'm going to teach you about the movement. You can see help shortcut. Okay, in here you may see QWEASD. Press on your keyboard Q, you may go up. See there's view going up. Press on the W on your keyboard, you may see go in front. Press on E, come down. Okay, press on A, go left. Press on X, turn back. Okay, press on D, go right. Okay, so they are the different. How you see them now. The keyboard number must remember this one. Okay, camera perspective movement. Okay, or else you have to design. You will find it very hard to design because you don't even know how to move. Okay. Another button is your mouse. Left click of your mouse is pending. Okay, you can pending the view. Left click on your mouse. Okay, right click on your mouse is rotate the camera. Okay, let's say I on going down, I want to see the ceiling. Then I right click on my mouse, hold, move it, right click on it. If I go on top, I want to look down. Then I right click on my mouse to move the camera down. Okay, simple as that. Okay, simple as that. The center of the mouse is zoom, or you can zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Coming up, we have navigation. Okay, navigation. So what is navigation? Okay, you can see something like this in 3D. Let's say I want to design a master room only. Okay, I click on single, so you only see master room. Okay, if I want to design living room, then I only see living room. If I want to design kitchen, I only see kitchen. Other will be hidden. Okay, it won't disturb you to design. Okay, if you want all, then you click all, so you can see everything. Okay, up to you guys. Okay, this is the method we teach you, or how to use it up to you. Render is render system lah. Okay, we are not taught here, we taught in another video. Gallery is all your picture. Okay, all your picture panorama. Okay, like an album. Snapshot, okay, is something like this. Let's say I want to design a TV cabinet on this angle. Okay, this angle. So I take a snapshot first, set perspective. After that, I move around. Okay, then somehow I want to go back to this angle. I can click here, it will come back. Okay, if you lost, okay, don't know in where, click here, it will come back. If you go see something, then you want to go back, click here, you will come back. Okay, if save your time to find your TV cabinet in where, okay, save your time. And this button is show material. You may see show material like this. Okay, another button is outline and material, which is the best one. You can see material and outline. Some they want see outline only, so the black and white. This one is the black and white. Okay, outline only. You can press Ctrl 1, Ctrl 2, and Ctrl 3. Okay, but usually we Ctrl 2 lah. Okay, usually we use Ctrl 2. Okay. And if you don't want the skirting or cornice, right, you can click on 2D. 2D, then click on the floor plan first. Okay, you may see space setting. Space setting. So in here you see the name, room name. You can untick the cornice. Or this one is the style. This one is the style. This one is the material. Okay, you can change it. You can change it, and you can change the size also. So if you don't want skirting and cornice, or skirting and cornice, just untick it. It will show. Okay, let's see. Yes. Oh, see 3D. You see. The living room here, no skirting, no cornice. Others have. Okay, others have. So if you don't want, then you just click on the area and take it. Okay, each area will have different setting, so up to you. Or just untick it if you don't want at all. Okay, so that's for this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.